Okay guys, we're gonna make a cheese flavored popcorn. So 1000 W 1 and 3/4 of minutes, 600 W 2.5 minutes and or 3 minutes, 450 and 6 no 450 and 600 W for 3 and 4 minutes. Before we gonna open this one, I want to tell you that 1000 watt for 1 3/4 minutes or 2 minutes, 600 watt for 2.5 minutes and 3 minutes, 450 minutes. No, 450 watt and 600 watt for 3 and 4 minutes. Let's open it. Oh, sorry. Microwave popcorn. Was set 1000 watt for 2 minutes. Or 700 watt for 2.5 minutes and 3 minutes. So we're gonna set this 1000 2 minutes. High for 2 minutes. Not too long. No, it didn't work. Too sure. So 600 W for 3 minutes. Exactly. Medium high. Sorry, the mission failed. Get it next time. That's right. That's my cheese. Almost done. I put it high for that. It's not finished. It's still making. Look how hot it is. Because it takes for a few seconds to finish for high. Then I select medium high for 3 minutes for 700 W. I just touched it with butter on. Cheesed popcorn. As you can see, that's actually pretty good. So I thought hot. I can't do it. To do this, I have to grow weight and be adult. Ah. I'm putting popcorn in. All that. Look how what colours. That's actually gone basically here. Gonna throw this in the trash. Ready to serve. Yeah, not much like cheese.
Dura de logo, não?
Pretty good. Now I feel like cheese.
Bem suco.
Bye. Thanks for watching. I like this flavour. It's so good. Bye. Okay guys, we're gonna make butter flavoured popcorn. So gonna and
3 minutes.
3 minutes. This one will be our second flavoured popcorn we're gonna make. Then we got like shell. Yeah.
Așa zis aia. Ba da, ăsta cu unt e bun, să nu iau simplu.
Simplu cu sare.
Când mai iau cu unt.
Yeah.
Zic, da?
Yeah.
Da, vedeți, una simplă, restul ce este? Cașcaval, nu?
Cu cașcaval nu-mi place, dar cu unt îmi place foarte mult.
Cașcaval,
Când am cumpărat tării cu unt, eu nu...
Right.
Da.
Right, just popping.
Ce a zis? Înseamnă că e mulțumit. 10 milioane, mămică, mi-a spus, știi cât e meniu?
1 minute.
Asta spun cât a fost meniu. 250.
1 minute, 30 seconds to go. And it's done.
Păi să mântuia acolo și unul, e bun.
Okay.
Da. Nu mai o
Any minute now.
porcărie, nu știu. Da.
Așa, da.
O bătut și mireasa și așa.
Still popping. Hope it's not exploded.
Mai, dar n-așa. Aveau rochii până aici.
There we go.
Aici, încoace, cu trandafiri, așa,
As you can
rochii.
see, look
Deci dacă
over
mergeai
there.
cu pilotul, iar
Dacă l-avea.
cocoșat și cu sacou albastru,
It's done.
Păi, dar nu ne interesează cine e. Eu m-am dus
It's
în obrazul
fine.
Florinel
Hot.
și pe-
So we need to put the spark.
Când noaptea? Da, târziu, când nu era dus, da.
Da, era, da.
Că venea, că avea asta, campanii.
For
Da.
someone else.
Că avea campanii, mă, pe când... Hai, gata.
Careful,
Îi
Miss.
dau lor, mămică.
Just waiting for cool down, then we took it. Okay? It's getting cold now. Let's soak in.
Băi, vrea să muncică.
That doesn't taste like butter. Yeah.
Deci nu-i păr, vei. Am dat un pe botoaie, nu stau o cârzi de aici, pe un magul, nu știu ce, și dacă să-mi dai ce să mă sunt un păr. O văd cu aia? Dar cât de, băi, ești beat? Extra apă?
No.
Dacă ceri pe unul,
Not really buttered. It looks like original. Tastes like original flavored popcorn.
Ai bani cu mă duc acasă.
De când îți termină bani?
Băi, cu mine de doar de doar în canal.
For now, I'll give this 9 out of 10. Well, because yeah, I didn't feel the butter taste. It will like taste like, so let's say, original flavored popcorn. Okay, see you next video. Bye. Okay, guys, we're gonna make salt flavored popcorn. How many?
Yes, 700.
And how many minutes?
3 minutes and a half.
3.5 minutes.
Yes.
It's time. There we go. Okay, it's popping. Only 1 minute 40 seconds left. Okay. Not put me anymore. Just wait for it. Wait for it. There! There we go. Done. So it's very hot. It's I see it's bit open.
Some are burnt.
They are burned.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to remove these
Yes, yes.
burned. We don't like.
Yes, I know. Yeah, wax. Wax.
Bravo, mamãe, bravo.
Wait. It's all burned.
Da, mamãe. Noi sâmbătă seara venim. Da, mamãe, bine. Hai, noi de bea acum.
Trust me, you don't want to eat burned popcorns.
Exact.
Let's wait. Okay, so I blowed it. Oh, it's cold. It's getting cold. Still a little bit hot. That's it.
Daniela, Nela, venit? Nela.
It tastes like salt, but not too much.
Stai numai înăuntru. Păi, istoare, da. Bine, mamãe. Foarte bine, da. Să spergi și terasele când tot, da.
It's
Bine, hai, foarte.
it's not taste pretty good.
Dar eu n-am zis nimica, n-am zis nimica. Da, pe caștela, pe sus, pe ea în dreapta. Da, dar nu pot pe ea.
Not really fantastic. Hope, hope, we, hope the next one will be the sweet flavor like caramel, I think, or the chocolate, or something from Germany, or from Italy. Hopefully, I like those. No, I'll give this 8 out of 10. Yeah, I'll give this 8 out of 10. It's too original. The salt flavor is a bit too original. Bye. Guys, we're gonna make caramel flavored popcorn. Which one? And how many minutes? 3. This time the light is white. Come on, pop. Okay, so it's popping. We are second. If you second served. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Spilled. Okay, so we need 1 more minute. It's not ready yet.
Acho que nunca os lembrei. Imediato, porque já sempre te ocupava por ter isto aí.
Okay. It smells like caramel. There you go. Wow. Whoa, it's blowing. Whoa. Whoa, it's blowing.
Да. Корни никому.
It's burned. Okay, so I wanted to tell you that the caramel popcorn, that's what happened. It's burned. It's cold. Let's wait for it to cool down. Okay, now it's cold. Let's taste it. It tastes more like it tastes like burnt popcorn. I could taste the burnt. I don't feel caramel. I don't feel the caramel. I don't feel it. As you can see, it's burned. It's burned. Now I feel it's a bit like caramel. I'm gonna give this like 9.2 out of 10. Yeah, give this like 9.2. I don't feel it. I feel it a bit like caramel. Bye. Okay guys, we're gonna make extra cheese flavored popcorn. I'm gonna set this for 3 minutes. There. Today we made with caramel and already 9.2 out of 10 because the caramel one I see some burnt popcorns. It wasn't that good. So I'm gonna try this popcorn. Let's wait. Okay, it's popping. Now it's getting bigger. A few seconds left. Three, 2, 1. There. It's still popping. Good.
Bă, și bune astea.
It's not very cold. It smells like cheese. Let's wait for it to cool down and put it outside. Okay, it's not getting cold. Look at this. Yes, look at this cheese. Extra cheese, but that's it. It's cheesy. This is big one. I'm gonna give this like 10 out of 10. It's the best. Okay guys, we're gonna make fried bacon flavored popcorn. New flavor. Which one? No. 3 minutes. Yeah, of course. It's limited edition. Let's wait. It smells sweet. There we go. Finished. Ta-da!
Tu veux les vez? Un preț de calitate pungile astea, să știi. Ia la mama.
Guess that's tasted. Herbert scored.
Îți bune?
It doesn't taste really like fried bacon. I feel this just a little bit. I'm gonna give this like 8.5 out of 10. Why? Okay guys, we're gonna make mod cheese flavored popcorn. How long?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay. Then. Sorry. Let's wait. Okay, so it's popping. Any second now. There we go. It's been outside. Let's taste it. That doesn't taste like cheese anymore. First, what's cheese? Extra cheese tastes pretty good, but this small cheese has less cheese. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Bye. Okay guys, we're gonna make white cheese flavored popcorn. Okay, try it on. Sweat. Yes, it smells like white cheese. It smells like actually like white cheese. Good. Let's take it outside and wait for it to cool down. So my lunch that's wait for it to cool down. Tasting. It's not that good. It doesn't taste very good. It's a bit disgusting. I don't like it. I'm gonna give this like 4.5. It's not the best flavor. White cheese is disgusting. Okay, guys, we're gonna make chili flavored popcorn. Let's wait. Okay, popcorn is popping. A few seconds left. Let's wait. Okay. There we go. Just a little bit of them. They're very good. Right. Okay, let's taste it. It's a bit spicy. Why is it spicy? Why is it spicy? And the water made me cough. It's kind of spicy. It's a bit spicy. No. I'll give the chili flavor like 6 out of 10. It's a bit spicy. Okay, guys, we're gonna make sweet flavors popcorn. Three minutes should be enough. Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, it starts popping. This pop is so fast. After a few seconds, we're gonna stop it, right? Before it burns. Okay, we're gonna stop it. How do I turn it off? Okay, I did it.
OMG. Da, mă, gata, s-a făcut.
Okay, let's taste it. It's too hot. Let's wait. I'll blow it up. Okay, let's try it first. That's our original popcorn. Let's taste it. Maybe a tiny bit sweet. Yeah, just a tiny bit sweet. Not that sweet. Tiny bit sweet. I'll give this like 9 out of 10. It's not that sweet. Goodbye.